two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Those vegan guys. I thank you.
When I make a bowl of penne pasta with a meaty sauce, recipe video coming up for that soon, I always make too much. That way, Jason, say hello.
Hello.
Takes it to work the next day at lunch, and I end up with a pot like this that I keep in the fridge for a couple of days and then top with, in this case it's Daiya mozzarella, which I got from Heron, really cheap. Top with that, give yourself a nice coating, and then whack a couple of slices of bread in your NutriBlend or in your blender, get some lovely fresh breadcrumbs, top that, in the oven, serve with salad, stunning. Aye, if you're watching this, you've got to the end of our video, so well done for that. And we appreciate you watching. We'd love it if you liked this video, shared it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, and
click the bell for notifications.
And that way you find out about all our future videos. And there's a lot coming, honey, let me tell you.